Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create meta fields for product variant in Shopify. Shopify currently offers two types of variant meta field definitions. First, standard meta field definition, and the second, custom meta field definition. Here, we will create a custom meta field definition. I already have the color variant in my store, so I will create a meta field for this color variant. First, log into your Shopify admin, then tap on the settings. Now tap on meta fields. Then select variants in the meta fields type. Click on the add definition button and give a name to your meta field definition. Keep the namespace and key as it is. The system will use it to identify the meta field definition. Add a description to your meta field definition or optional. Now check the Give Access to Storefront API request option to display the meta field values on your storefront. Now select number as a content type from the list. It represents the type of value the meta fields will store. Now, click the Save button. And that's it. You're done with creating variant meta fields definition. Now, the next step is adding values to your variant meta fields. Once you have created the variant meta field in Shopify, you can find it in the product variant section. Let's find them and add values to the variant meta fields for different variant options. From the Shopify store admin, go to Products, click on any product, scroll down to the variant section on the product details page, and then click on the Add Variant link. Select any product variant to add the meta field value. Now, scroll down to the meta field section, then enter the value in the meta field for the selected product variant, and then click on the Save button. Similarly, you can add meta field values for other product variants. And that's it. You are finally done with customizing the theme file to display the meta field values on your product page. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.